Ceridian Dayforce Tutorial 2025, How to Use Dayforce Payroll and HR Management. So pretty much your complete guide. So this powerful cloud-based human capital management platform that unifies payroll, HR, workforce management, benefits, and talent analytics in one application. It pretty much enables your real-time payroll processing, compliance tracking, employee self-service, and workforce scheduling, which is all enhanced by AI given our driven insights. So of course you're gonna have to log in first over here. You can put in your company name, your username, and then your password. So if you don't have one, you can go ahead and press on can't access your account, and you're gonna have to provide a company ID. But once you do so, you should be able to access and navigate through all your dashboards, showcases, modules, and payroll with your people, with HR, with your time, benefits, and reports. With your payroll processing workflow, you can verify your time and attendance data imported from workflows management. You can calculate your payroll in real time and use payroll specific tools to review and audit calculations before final approval. You can submit for management or leader approval to the configured workflows and commit the payroll and process payments. So it can be direct deposit, pay card, or checks. The HR admin and people management, where you can update employee records, contact info, tax details, personal status, dependents, emergency contacts. With the time and attendance, so you can track employee hours, shifts, and leave balances, where you can also have reporting and analytics. So use dashboards for real-time metrics like labor costs, overtime deductions, and compliance. But if you want to go ahead and gain more info over on how to use Dayforce, you can always go ahead to your preferred browser and just directly search for Dayforce. You should be directly led to their website. You can look at demos and tutorials over here. You can go ahead and see what's new at Dayforce. You can watch a demo directly. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.